Hello, and welcome back to The Broken Doll. And today we're coming to you with Shirley Temple's teeth one more time. And today is the day that we're going to put them in her mouth. I have my Millie Putt ready. Even though these do have, like, these teeth are the metal teeth, and they have the little prongs that go into the composition here. To reinforce it, just to make sure, because I can't get in there and to really apply the pressure that needs to get them right inside those holes, type of thing. I'm going to reinforce it with some Millie Putt. I have it already mixed up here. Our first step is to take the teeth and squeeze these two little prongs here. And I have my trusty little tool here. And we're going to start doing that right now. And let's see if we can get these two to close. I hope I'm on camera here. There we go. There's one side. Make sure that we're in right position here before we close this up. I think they moved down a little bit. Shoot. Didn't want to see that happen right now. Where's my trusty little... oh, gee. Eyelashes, get over there. All right. They moved down just a bit. That's not good. It's supposed to be up higher. These are the things I don't like moving them around like this too much because of the fact that, there we go. They're supposed to be up higher, like that. There we go. All right. Let's do it again. It's so easy to get off camera here. There we go. They're back in place again, looking great. Now we put them in the head. All right. Like I said, your tools always have nice, they don't have to be expensive. Cheap tools, they work too. For what we're doing, they'll last forever. Okay, so we have our Shirley Temple head here. The next thing what we want to do is get these inside the head. So, to do that, okay, I don't know if I can do it with gloves. I was working with Millie Putt, that's why I put the gloves on. So I don't want to touch her head with Millie Putt on me. But what I'm going to do is, I think quickly, I don't want to get no water on her. Set her off to the side over here like this. Well, I just give my hands a quick dippity-doo-dah in here, and there we go. Get some of this off of me. I don't want any Millie Putt on her paint. All right. There we go. All right, so sorry about that. A lot of thinking here, wrong and right thinking, but anyhow. All right, Millie Putt is a water cleanup as well. So anyways, we're going to get these into her head. Not going to say I'm going to get it done on the first take here. It may take several times. Yep, like that right there. Let's try it again. Get this up. Okay, maybe I should... Where did they go? Oh, shoot. Okay, don't go there. There we go. All right. Oh, they're almost right where they need to go. They kind of fell to their place. Well, that was nice. So this was a good idea, right like that. Okay, so I can kind of get like a pressure put on them where they're supposed to be. Let's see what she looks like. No, oh, no, they weren't in the right place. Okay, good thing no wonder the prongs didn't go into where they were supposed to. There's two little holes in there. You got to make sure those prongs are going in. Oh, gee, now I got Millie Putt. Gee, what I was trying not to do, I did. Oh, I forgot about the Millie Putt sitting there. Okay, sorry, Shirley. There we go. Well, there's her teeth. I think they look pretty good, sitting there like that. Is that enough teeth to see before we Millie Putt in? Well, there we go. See, that's not sitting in that hole. Let me get that over here instead. Oh, no, they're not even sitting in that hole. What's going on here? Okay. Make sure that those prongs, oh yeah, they're sticking up all right. Okay, so let's get that. There's a way they got to sit in there. Oh, that's not doing it. One side is in. It's the other side now. Okay. That's why I want to milli put them also, to reassure that they're going to stay where they stay put. Let me take them out for a second. I feel that hole there. Okay, let's try this again. Boy, they just don't want to stay. It's like they've been disturbed out of their hole. They don't want to go back into that hole again. Those prongs, even though they're picky on the old fingers, they don't mind picking the fingers. See, there we go. There's Shirley's teeth in her back in her mouth again. But it's to make sure this stays. So that's why I got this milli put. And we're going to milli put. Now, it seems like it's in there. So I want to milli put right around where those prongs are. Right where I'm putting those, where they're going into the holes. We'll let that dry. That should hold that right inside of there. Okay. Looks like the one side just being a little stubborn, but it's in there, but we're going to reinforce it though, so that it doesn't come out. And this is the best I can think of, is by milli putting them in. And it's like there's the two prongs and there's a little one up here. It doesn't do as much as what the two prongs on this side does. It doesn't dig in as deep. That was my easiest one to get out. But now that I got this on there, this should hold it down really well. And there she is with her teeth in her mouth. For some reason, I'm not happy with that. It looks lopsided to me. No, I got to get that out of there. For some reason, I'm not happy with that. She looks lopsided now. Darn it. What's going on? I got to take this all out. What's going on that she looks lopsided in her mouth? Yeah, that just doesn't look right. See, I'm glad you're seeing this all for the first time here. Let's take this out. I'm not happy with that. Something's not right. Oh man, it's really good on that, like on that one side. It really went in. Now I hate to disturb it, but I got to. Okay. Let's get that out of there. There we go. It came out. There we go. What is going on here? It looks good. Maybe it's just the way that one side is just being a little bit of a pain. Let's make sure we're getting this in there right. And maybe one side is just over too much. Maybe that's just how they're going to have to be. Because they're sitting in the thing right. I can't do anything more as far as in the prongs. Like they're sitting in here like this. It can only be squared so much, you know. And okay, let's just go with it. I guess we're going to have to, and that's as good as it's going to be. I'll have to look at some older pictures of her too to see what they look like while they were in her mouth. Okay, we're going to do this again. And here we go. Got that in. Okay, let's do this again. We're going to milli put one side, milli put the other. There we go. And we're going to merely put this side. And hopefully that will hold that in place. Trying to make sure it's really attaching to the composition really good. Smearing that around. And then just a little one for that little up prong up here. Okay, I think that's as good as we're going to get her. Here we go. I was going to need gloves, but I guess not. Okay, always good to have, like I say, things ready in case. You never know. All right. So now we just let that dry. And there we go. Shirley Temple needs her eyes next. That's the next thing we're going to work on. So I hope you like what you see there. The ups and downs of all this is quite the feat there. Now, any bit on her lips that I'm going to do is just down here, cleaning this up here. Maybe making this just a little bit better up here. Just little things like that for cleaning up. But other than that, she's looking great. I'm loving what I'm seeing here. Let's get her, the next video, let's work on her eyes. They're ready to go in as well. Oh my goodness, get ready for that one, because that one is going to be a hard one. Oh, lovely stuff coming up here. All right, everybody. Stay tuned, more to come.